So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, idadial lang natin is *143, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And ayan guys, after nyan dito, piliin lang natin yung number 4 which is yung only. So type natin yung number 4 and then send. And ayan guys, dito piliin na natin yung OnlyGo 99 IG. So nasa number 5 siya. So type number 5 and then send. So ayan guys, sabi dito kapag daw nag-register tayo ng OnlyGo 99 IG, makakakuha tayo ng unlimited Instagram uses plus 8 GB na data para sa lahat ng sites. Plus, bukod pa dun guys, meron siyang Only Allnet text, valid siya for 7 days. So, napakasulit lang nito guys kasi 99 pesos, meron na kayong 7 days na unlimited Instagram and meron pa siyang 8 GB na data and Only Allnet text. So, para ma-register or ma-subscribe, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng OnlyGo 99 for IG on Globe. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!